Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by joining the meeting with Teams desktop or the updated web client, and you keep your audio on so captions can transcribe speech. Once you're in, click the More Actions menu, the three dots, and select Turn on Live Captions. This immediately generates on-screen subtitles for spoken audio. Make sure other participants speak clearly and avoid overlapping talk. That improves accuracy. If you don't see the option, move to the next slide for additional steps. Once live captions are active, open the caption settings to refine the experience. You choose the spoken language to match transcription models, which reduces errors when participants use accents or non-default languages. Make sure to toggle speaker attribution if you want names displayed with captions. That helps follow conversations with multiple speakers. Also check caption font size and placement if needed for visibility. If transcription seems off, ask the speaker to move closer to the mic or mute background sources to improve recognition. Finally, confirm subtitles are visible and tracking speech. Ask a participant to speak and watch the captions appear. If captions don't start, first update Teams to the latest version, then try the web client as an alternative. That resolves most platform-specific issues. Make sure the app has microphone permissions and that your internet connection is stable. Poor audio or packet loss breaks transcription. If problems persist, restart Teams and rejoin the meeting. That clears transient glitches and usually restores live captions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.